If you've created a Udemy course but want more students to enroll, I'll show you effective ways to promote it and reach new learners. Start by logging into your Udemy account and navigating to your instructor dashboard. From there, click Promote Your Course, which opens Udemy's promotion tools. You'll see options to create discount coupons, share your affiliate or direct course link, and access pre-made banners or promotional graphics. Copy your course link and share it across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, or in relevant blogs and newsletters to attract new students. You can also create limited-time discount coupons through the Promotions tab to encourage enrollments. Udemy tracks these promotions, so you can see which strategies drive the most students. Combining social sharing, email outreach, and strategic discounts is often the safest and most effective way to grow your course audience. Now you know how to promote your Udemy course and reach new students to grow your audience. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.